To engineer is to create. Designing new products to improve our lives. When bringing your design to life, you need to hold your first prototype in your hands to identify and eliminate its flaws, so you can make sure every detail and feature is perfect. Then it's time to produce your prototype parts again, to make sure your creation is ready to become something bigger. With your production partner by your side throughout the entire journey. And when it's ready, you'll get to see it with your own eyes. From prototype to serial production, Xometry is your one-stop shop for manufacturing on demand.